You know, for several years, patients have been coming to see Dr. Sonia Spencer here in Gulfport for many different things that are related to the skeletal part of your body. How are you?
I'm wonderful, Jim.
It's good to see you. Now,
good to see you too.
Now, I've been here myself when I had my car accident, you know, damaged ligaments in my neck. You helped me out with that. But, you know, I know you work with people in a lot of different things, but one of the things you really are proud of is the use of the K-laser. Tell us about that.
That's right. Well, we've had our K-laser now for a few months, and we're getting some phenomenal results with people who have had previous surgeries on all different body parts, shoulders, neck, lower back, knees, hips, different places like that. And so what we want to do today is demonstrate to you how the K-laser works, how it helps relieve pain and improve the function of joints and get you back on your feet without drugs and surgery. That's what we're all about, doing it the natural way here at Spencer Chiropractic.
Is it homeopathic medicine?
No, we're not homeopathic. We're natural.
Natural medicine. That's
natural
medicine. Definitely.
But you know, a lot of people get those confused, and it's no big deal. But just natural.
Well, natural is better.
Natural is better. And so if you can heal your body naturally without drugs or surgery, that's the way to go. But for a lot of people who have already had surgeries and they don't want to have another one, or for some reason they can't have another surgery, maybe they have a heart condition, or maybe they have some reason why they, you know, don't want to have a surgery, maybe they're too old to have surgery. I tell them to consider the K-laser, because the K-laser has gotten results where a lot of things have failed, and some people aren't comfortable taking medications, and they want a higher quality of life. So we're going to show you how that can happen and talk to you about how it works.
All right, and we're going to do something different today. Normally I'm the one that gets worked on, or somebody else. My cameraman and I have been working together, Flip. We've been working together for 15 years. And besides being my cameraman, Flip's also cameraman a lot of weekends for UFC fights around the world. He's also does camera work for the Pelicans, but he's you know, having some issues with his camera shoulder, so we're going to let him get treated today here at Dr. Spencer's office.
We're going to go ahead and demonstrate the K-laser, but before we get started, Flip, I want you to show me what motion really aggravates your shoulder. Okay. So when he brings it back, it bothers him. And Ryan is our certified K-laser expert, and he's going to go ahead and start the treatment. And what this laser does is it's so phenomenal. It allows us to work on the muscles, the tendons, and everything associated with the shoulder or whatever area that we're working on. And what this laser actually does is it speeds up the healing process by bringing nutrients in at a much faster rate and bringing in waste products. So the joint, the muscles, the tendons, everything associated with the damaged area can heal at a much faster rate than you're able to do on your own. The shoulder is a very complicated joint, and of course you're using it all the time. And you know, if you've had surgery on the joint, which you have, you know, it can create problems years after your surgery. And if you're trying to avoid surgery, this is a great way to do it, because most people have surgery again due to pain. And what this K-laser does is it really minimizes the amount of pain that you have with your daily activities and allows your joint to heal at its maximum capabilities. So Ryan's been doing K-laser with me for quite some time, and he definitely knows how to work the trigger points on the shoulder, and knows where to go to make the treatment the most effective. And he's certified in K-laser, and just really has great results with treating our patients in all different areas here. Ryan, will you explain just what you're doing there, and some of the areas that you're treating, and how that's going to be benefiting Flip?
I am doing K-laser, and the way it works is it reduces pain, inflammation, and swelling by increasing blood flow to the area and creating an optimal healing environment. We're just taking it over the deltoid muscle right now, where Flip's having concentrated pain, and then we're going to be doing a couple range of motion exercises to kind of help with the results of the laser.
Awesome. Now, what Flip is actually feeling right now during the treatment is just some warmth. There's no pain involved in this treatment at all. Even if he had an artificial joint, there would be no contraindication going on here, and that's great for people who've had joint replacements, hip replacements. We're able to use this basically on anybody who's not pregnant, or as long as somebody doesn't have cancer or they're not pregnant, we can use it on them, which is fabulous, because just about everybody has an ache or pain somewhere that they want to get rid of. So is that feeling good? Does that?
Feels great.
It feels great on there. Yeah, and so many people have pain post-surgically, and they have hardware inserted in different areas of their body, and so naturally they're afraid to get those areas treated, and this can really help people who have fibrosed tissue or scar tissue due to repetitive motions, and can really help people have a better quality of life who, like I said, just either don't want to have surgery, or for some reason physically are unable to have surgery. So each treatment that we do with the laser is based on a specific time. The treatment times are usually less than 5 minutes for each area, sometimes longer for herniated disc and things like that. And usually some type of results are felt right away, either with improved range of motion or relief from pain. And usually it requires, for a chronic situation such as yours, where the pain is just there every day, we start with a minimum of 12 treatments. And this treatment is not covered by insurance companies. I just want to let you know that. And so this is total out-of-pocket expense, but very affordable, usually less than somebody's copay on their insurance to have the K-laser. So very affordable treatment. And this particular laser treatment, you may have gone to the veterinarian with your animal, and they're doing this on animals to relieve pain and arthritis and different things of that nature. And so we're going to take a flip back through a few more ranges of motion and see if that feels any differently for you. You notice a different there, Flip?
A little bit, yeah.
All right, cool. All right, and like I said, with some chronic cases, such as Flip, it can take longer. So we're going to talk now about different symptoms that can be treated with the laser. Jim, there's so many things that we can treat with this K-laser. One thing I want to tell everybody is to go to our website and look and see if you have a condition and it's on there, we can treat you for it at Spencer Chiropractic. Come see us.
All right, Spencer Chiropractic in Gulfport.